This is a 1939 Royal Varsity Typewriter. It's been fully refurbished and it is ready for use. This beautiful typewriter is a 1939 model Royal Varsity. It's really nice black glass keys. The finish on it is in really good shape. A few minor blemishes on it. It looks really good overall. This is an early model, very similar to the Quiet Deluxes that followed in the 40s. It does not have an auto reverse on the ribbon. When it gets to the end, you have to push the button on the side. It's got great typing action. Nice feel to it. This typewriter comes with its original case and a reprinted user's manual. It is actually for the Aero model, but it's very similar. Most of the features are the same. The case is pretty worn. It's got bare spots on it, with the wood showing through. But it's been cleaned and it's solid and it does last well. And I also ran across this original copy of a certificate of guarantee for the typewriter. The original guarantee on this machine was 90 days. And I will match that guarantee on it, even though it's now 80 years old.